Can y'all hear that? I hear like men talking outside. It's kind of freaking me out. Anyways, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys some adorable things my mom sent me in the mail. I literally just got this package this morning and I really wish I would have recorded an unboxing, but I was so excited when the mailman came to the door that I just immediately called my mom and I was like, I got my package. So I opened it on the phone with her, but I wanted to share some of the things she sent me because they're just so adorable. I just love doing recordings of the things my mom sends me because it's so special to me, and I sometimes think that you guys like it too. So let's get started. So the first three things I have here is makeup products. So she sent me a brand new thing of the Coty Air Spun powder, which I'm really happy about because I was kind of running out of my other one. Mom is like always on point with the things I need, and she doesn't even know it because I don't tell her. And then she sends it and I'm like, wow, Mom, we think too much alike. So she got me another thing of this Air Spun loose face powder, and I think I might actually wear a different color in this. Hold on, let me check. The one I have is called Translucent Extra Coverage, but the one she got me is just translucent. So I really wonder how this is gonna work and if it's going to work any differently than my other one. They actually like look the same color, kind of. I don't know if you can see that, but hey, we'll see. I love this powder though. It is really good for baking and just for anything in general. If you haven't tried it out yet, they actually sell it at Walmart. I'm not sure where else they sell it, but I always see it in Walmart, and this has been around forever, since 1935. And it's actually a really good powder. So if you haven't tried it, go get it. It's huge. There's like a lot in there. I have had mine for several years and I still have some left. But it's only a few dollars, so it's totally worth it. Go try it. Next thing we have here is a Rimmel foundation. I've never tried this foundation before, but literally as soon as I opened the package, I like ran in my room and put it on, and I'm like, Mom, this foundation is amazing. It's the Rimmel It's the Rimmel London Match Perfection 24-hour moisture pore blurring effect, broad spectrum SPF 20. Mom, you know I don't be wearing SPF that often, so you did good, girl. It's got sunscreen in it. It says invisible coverage, visibly perfected skin. She got me the color, girl, what color did you get me? It don't even say no color on here. Oh, ivory. Oh my God. See, Mom, I told you. I was telling my mom earlier like how bad I need sun because my skin is so white. I'm starting to look translucent. Seriously, I'm like looking see-through or something. I mean, can you even see the difference in me and the door? Winter needs to go bye-bye and summer needs to get here ASAP. Or I just need to move back to Texas. So this foundation actually matched me perfectly, and I was reading on the back, it says invisible mistake-proof foundation for visibly perfected and healthier looking skin, weightless smooth texture, blends with skin's real tone instead of masking it. What did I just, somebody is outside, what the heck? I'll be right back, girl. There's a man walking around outside on the telephone. It blends with skin's real tone instead of masking it. When I put it on, I was like, oh my God, Mom, this is like such a perfect match. And I think that's why, because it just, I don't know how, it just blends with your skin tone, girl. Hey, girl, hey. But yeah, so I guess I'm Ivory now. You might as well call me Casper from now on. This also says it's soft focus powders help reduce imperfections, pores, and dark circles. And this just worked out so good today. I instantly fell in love with it. I had to go and take me a shower, girl, and put my makeup on because I wanted to try it out again with full face makeup, and I think it worked out really good. So if you've never tried this before, girl, this is drugstore, this is Rimmel. She got it on clearance. Good job, Mama. But it was $4.97. She got it for $2.48. I don't know where she bought it, but she should have bought some more for me. Send me a whole box of it. But this is a really good foundation. Yet another thing that I really wanted was a new foundation, and she hit the spot. So next thing she sent me is this lipstick. It is Wet n Wild. It's Mega Last Liquid Catsuit, and it's a matte lipstick, and she sent me the shade Pink Really Hard. And this is what it looks like. So I actually didn't put any lipstick on to do this video because I wanted to put the lipstick on for y'all to show you what this lipstick look like. Girl, hold up. I need some concealer. Actually, I'm gonna use a little bit of my leftover Rimmel foundation. Girl, that looks good just like that. Ooh, that's a pretty new lipstick. And all I had to do was use some leftover stuff that was on my brush from like an hour ago. So I tried this on earlier and I really liked it, but I wanted to share it with y'all. Cause I had like put the foundation on and the lipstick before I even took a shower because I wanted to try it out. Only thing I haven't tried out yet was the powder. I will be testing that out soon to see how that shade works on me. I know y'all are concentrated on my broken mirror right now. Don't worry, it is not 7 years bad luck because I am covered by God's grace. How cute is this color? I think it is the cutest. Cutie patootie. Okay, next thing she got me some new shirts, which I'm absolutely in love with, and I really wanted to wear one today, but I wanted to show them to you guys in the camera. So this is the first one here. It says beauty, strength, love, grace, and truth. My mom knows that all of those words describe me very well. When you look up my name in the dictionary, that is what you will see beside it. Totally kidding. Next one is an Alice in Wonderland shirt, and I love it so much. It says, "We're all mad here." She knows me a little too well. And this one is my absolute favorite because I love this color, and I actually have a hoodie that I wear literally every day of life, 24/7, 365, and it's in the same shade. And look at what the shirt says. Coffee and weekends. Cause she knows I'm all about that coffee, and no coffee, no talkie. And these shirts are literally so soft. They feel so comfortable. I think I'm going to be living in them. I'm pretty sure she got them from Kohl's. I love Kohl's. Next thing she got me is this mirror, which I hate to even turn it around because when I do, the light is going to reflect on the mirror and it's going to shine so brightly. Oh, I did it just like at the perfect angle and I didn't have to deal with it. So yeah, it's actually a mirror and it's like this teal blue and it's got these gold accents here and a gold hanging like leather strap. So cute. And it's actually a really good mirror. Hey girl, hey. She also got me some melatonin because she knows I cannot live without no sleeping pills. This is actually a really good melatonin. I have been using this for the past year, I would say, and this is melatonin plus 200 milligrams of L-theanine. Let me tell you, if you have anxiety, you need to look into some L-theanine because it is natural and it's good for you and it will calm your anxiety down. But these are really good to take at night when you want to go to sleep. It's 3 milligrams of melatonin and 200 milligrams of L-theanine, and this will make you pass out in like 15 minutes, so it's good. But I'm so glad she got me another bottle of this because I like to stock up on like sleep and stuff, so thanks mom. Next thing she got me is this right here. So this little piece right here is actually a protective thing, but I thought it just looked cute, like a cupcake, so I left it there. And then this part, to me, it actually looks like a little hat box. Am I crazy, or does it look like a little hat box to you guys too? It actually possibly could be a little hat box because it's got this little handle thing there. But it is so adorable, and you'll never guess what it is. It's not just something super cute. It's actually a salt and pepper shaker! Can you believe it? Can you believe that? Isn't that so cute? Look at the little dots there for you to do your salt and then your pepper. You want some more pepper, honey? Oh, that food has no flavor? Hold on. Okay, so I actually don't think I'm going to use this because it's way too cute and I don't want to ever ruin it. I just think it's beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? Okay guys, this next thing I'm going to show you, I have been dying for, and my mom went and got it for me. She actually found it and showed it to me and I was like, Mom, I am in love with that. I've got to have it. So she got it for me. You guys, it's just the cutest. It's the cutest. I just can't. I just can't. I cannot. I just cannot. This is like a little cookie jar, you know? Oh my God. Isn't it beautiful? Look at it. It's got this little heart on it that says love. Here it says biscuits. biscuits. I'm gonna put all my little biscuits in it. I don't really know what the second word is. It's like, looks like Mason, but it looks like it's trying to be like French or something, like Maison. But it's M-A-I-S-O-N. I don't know what it is, but this is the most adorable thing I've ever seen. Look at this top. Do you see this top? And look, it also had that little protective thing, like the salt and pepper shaker. And I feel like it just works with it. I'm like going to leave it there because it's just adorable. And it's got this little bow here. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Seriously. This is gonna be like my pride and joy. It really truly is. No, seriously, I was dying for this though ever since she showed it to me, and I'm just absolutely in love with it. I love it so much, Mom, thank you. And I cannot wait to set it up in my kitchen so I can stare at it all day and fill it up with cookies, and I can eat them all, and then I can gain 100 pounds. And I will not be bikini ready, but that's okay because it doesn't even seem like summer's ever gonna come here in Virginia. So, I'll be packing on me a few more pounds to keep me warm during this winter time. Okay, I'm totally kidding, but isn't this so cute? And look at the top of it. I actually thought this, okay, little heart, you can quit dangling now, making noises. I actually thought this part came off, but it doesn't. I think it's just there for decoration. It looks like it wants to come off, but I don't think it does. It's just there for decoration, but it's so cute. I love it so much. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little mommy haul that I just did. I'm sure my mom probably enjoys it too, because I know my mom watches my videos. I think she does anyway. Mom, you better be watching my videos. Show your daughter some support. But yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed seeing the stuff my mom got me, and yeah, tell me what you think. What you think? Seriously though, I'm not kidding about this foundation. This stuff is good. I think it looks really good. But that's just me. I don't know what you think. So yeah, if you haven't tried that yet, I would go check that out because I like it. Anyways, thanks so much for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave me some comments down below. Give this video a big thumbs up to show me that you liked it. And I will see you next time. Bye!